Okay, so if you're getting clutch judder and you've got one of these fitted, or perhaps your clutch has been fitted wrong, this is called a clutch, a seat spring. Basically, this one goes at the bottom. You can fit your fingers underneath. It's like curled upwards. That one goes at the bottom. This one is like concaved, and I think that goes up to the top, facing upwards. And then you got this friction plate, which is cut out to fit. Around them seats, and that basically, when your clutch is operated and let go, this one doesn't get pinched. The seats stop it from being pinched and juddering. So if yours is juddering, have a check to make sure that that is all fitted correctly, and check your workshop manual as well.